Yes.
Can you do these things in Power BI?
Yeah, that is Power BI. Power BI is also a dashboard, right?
Because
For the exam,
no, not rated
I
exam.
mean the core assessment coursework. I'm not sure about that. That you need to check with professor.
No, not like that. Actually, I was thinking because in Power BI there are some APIs that you can integrate.
Hmm. Here also you.
But you are telling the enterprise version and the
Oh,
student
yeah.
version. So yes, in Power BI it's free. So
Yeah, you can try it, no issues. This is what we are introducing new different tools and then ways of approaching problem here. So this is one of the tools. So not every tool can work in all the scenarios, right? So it's up to you.
ma'am, you can go for CDN and Nexus. They are the new emerging technologies right now.
Okay.
And if you install Cloud Codex and if you go for free model.dev, it's a website. It's like you get API key for Cloud Codex for free and you're getting Opus 4.8.
Okay.
After that, if you get that, then you can connect your integrate with your N10. For that, you have to go for Docker.
Okay.
And after Docker is done, when you install your N10 in your CMD, after that, you can go for different automations. And if your cloud memory, if your own PC memory is running low, you can go for Obsidian and Nexus.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
I was
Okay.
regarding the seminar. Is it okay if we leave a bit early?
Yeah, the 4 o'clock, the for
Yeah.
something, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll try to wind up by 4. I have only the pivot table, which I doubt if I can finish it or not. Yeah, we'll try to wind up and then we will. I have an option here called hierarchy. But no, it's not available in the cloud version. There is an online one which you get for 1 year. So I had that one. There, a different this option is available, but here it is not available. I thought I just used that one, so I thought it will be available here. No. So if that is there, then you can actually drill down. Yeah. So look at here. So I have created a hierarchy with channel and agent. So right now it's all rough. So this is the agent, right? It is a channel. Yeah. So I can just right click, and if I drill down, so all the walk-ins across. This is only for walk-ins across different agents, and then I go up. It will be for all. So again, I can just right click and drill down for email. Yeah, this is only for email. In the chart itself. Yeah, so this option is not here. So this is not there. It just stops with aggregations. That's right. Yeah. We'll create one line chart. All of us there? Yeah, one line chart. Can you just find out the listing, how listings are changing? You can change over months. So you have to take the count of the listings and do it across months. You'll use the date field. You should use the date and the x-axis. You use the time frame, the time series one. Use the date and the line chart. You use the line chart.
Distribution over months. But it doesn't want to know.
So we'll come to the next one. How does, yeah, let's come to the next one. How does listing change over months? So for this, we will use lines, and in the X, you will use the listing date. Yeah, let's listen here. Yeah, please. Move the listing date to the X. And then see, we are counting the number of listings here, right? So the number of listings will be, yes, listing ID. And so this would be, as usual, non-null. Yeah. Now, see, look at here. The listing date, it is a day by day, right? So you have every day here, and because of which it is not giving a clear picture. So you can actually click on this listing date, and you can actually arrange the dates by month, right? Why do you want individual day by day? So if you arrange by month, it becomes a little more of an ordering here. So it gives you every month how the property is being listed. Now, I also want to see how it changes over area, right? So we can just drag area and create one here. So for every area, so area is too much. Probably for property type, we can do it.
Yeah, property.
Yeah, property type, because it's too many layers. See, overall, this is how your properties listings are changing over a period of time, slightly increasing during March, and then gradually coming down in April. But if you want to look at differently with respect to apartments and villas, you also get a different period here. Count non-null. Because see, if you count distinct values, oh my God, what did I do? So if you count distinct values, it just counts the distinct values. But if you count non-nulls, it will count all the values. All the values here. Distinct, yes. Oh yeah, 0 and 1 will be counted as 2 in non-null. But if you have distinct, it will be counted as 1 there. So this is, we can rename this as listings over month. Right? Yep. I'm also quickly going to do one statistics here just for our price so that it will help us for, analyzing it there. So charts and then click on statistics here. All of us there together. Can you open the line? Are we done with the line chart? Yeah. Once you're done with the line chart, click on statistics here. The top. Right, so I'm going to create my own worksheet. A simple, see, you have a lot of analysis here. I'm just keeping a simple univariate analysis here. It's all statistical analysis, that whatever we have done using SPSS. So we also have it here. So in the univariate, so the price, thousands. It gives you a histogram and then summary statistics and a box plot. We have a box plot, so we don't want a box plot here. I just need the summary statistics here. And this will create a card for us. Click on create card. Click on create card. Yeah. So we have a histogram and then what is the mean, median and the quantile tables. Everything is available here. So now we are going to port everything to a dashboard and then we will show it in the dashboard. So I'm starting with the chart here. So this publish will actually publish your individual charts, move them towards the dashboard. So in the dashboard, you can decide how you want to place each of them, how many pages you want, you can decide there. Yeah, you can publish. See, once you publish, here it gives you an option. So how do you want, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take first and second, and I'm going to create an exclusive page for that. Only the price and the price box plots. So this would be our default dashboard here, or we can also create a one. We can do it little later. Create. Okay. So now we can just, just in a big, ensure the sizes are big and then everything is good. But even as you open it, it will show full. So probably I'll bring this down. Oh my God, it has gone too down. Right? And then here, I also want to add the one from our statistics here. So that will be available. Where is it available? Oh my God, it's not available here. I will save this here.
You added that card right again. The new pattern.
Which one?
The new just next to this where you have to write the forward.
I didn't get what he's saying.
What?
I
had another card, right, trying to write it forward.
yeah, that card was here. In the new title, you have the text here. But we need the mean median values. So I will put that mean median also, and then we can discuss that. Right. So you see, anytime you can access the dashboard from here. So I'm going back to the flow. And here we will have our charts and statistics. So this one, I'm going to add, I have to put this. Click on this. Yeah. And publish this to the same place where we have the ones, right? The previous ones. I'm locking this so that it will not move here. So there's a small lock here. So it will not move. This one. Huh. This one? This one? That one we created in statistics. So from there you go back to statistics. There will be 3 dots on the right hand side. Click on that publish.
Publish?
Yeah, publish and add it to this dashboard.
I have to select the page number, right?
Yes, ensure if you are in page 1, add it to page 1. Yeah. Now add the interpretation for this. Price distribution. Yeah, please. So you know the mean, median, and you have standard deviation. You can discuss, say something about the box plot. Yeah, explain it. Oh, yes, explain it. Yeah, you can type it and explain it. How does this look like? The price. So the box plot, you see the upper end, the upper whisker. We call this as a whisker. The upper whisker. We all done this in our advanced business statistics course. Anybody who's not from advanced business statistics course? Anybody? All of you are from the, have taken it, right? This was your first submission.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I thought you would write it, but then I'm writing it.
Yeah.
The statistics you have, we created a statistics. Remember that? Yes. But how? You go to the statistics tab. So just a second, I'll save this. Yeah, you have to go to the statistics tab here. So here, see, there is a publish option. So you publish this, it will ask you where to publish this. You can put then when you click on publish, see, and I added it here. Cancel. Since I did it again, I'm not doing it. Which one? This is the text. I saved it here. So this is the reason I didn't put everything in a single page, so that it will be like looking good here. Yeah. Now you want to see how this looks. Yeah. You can view. Oh, I didn't save it. Sorry. Save this. So this is your dashboard. I think we can still move this up. I will move this up so that it will be looking good here. Okay. No, it's not looking great. Sorry. Yeah. So the first sheet of your dashboard. Good. So tired. So now we got this, and then we brought in the statistics from the statistics. You have to flow. Yeah. Publish. Move to the same page. So I just adjusted the format so that it looks good. Yeah, so you can create a new type. What is it? Like create your text added here and down. And then I probably would take on how much you want to do and what you pay. That's for keep saving this once you save it.
On the line shot. If you do the date passing, date passing, then it's class. Only if you do the date passing, you get that's still not necessary. Yeah, 25. Okay, that is section flagship. Yeah. I thought that you should be able to yeah, can you other new tiles and new pages. Add a new dashboard again. I mean another page for the dashboard.
We can add more.
Yes, yes. Go back here. So go back to flow. So right now we have done only for the two charts, right? So we have to now. So these two are met. Now we have to move this one. So this I'm going to publish in the second page. Create a new page. This is KPIs.
It is new dashboard.
No. Same dashboard. I'm doing a different page.
Page can be saved by any name.
Yeah, give a nice title. Yeah. You can give a name. See, you want to give a title for the page, right? So give it here. No issues. Choose page 2. So this one.
वो उसको छोटा बड़ा करके तो ड्राइव इसी को पहले अपना अलाइनमेंट पेज 2 पे ऐड करता है हां
अलग से ऐड
ठीक है ऐसा है
So you can type in the title here. Display as a title.
how to do filter here
Yeah. For filters, click on the data set. In the data set, ours is cleaned. The cleaned data set.
add filter
Which column? Area. That's all. And set filter. So here I will change it to single value. And you can, what happened?
Yeah, same. Yeah. Now you want to, see, dashboard is all about alignments also. So align it in a nice way. Once this is done, go back to the next one. So this is not save. You have to bring this one also. Save one. Now you can also read the new page. This will run that new page.
ये यहाँ पे न्यू फिल्टर वाला लिखा हुआ ऊपर भाई अप्रूव क्लिक करो अप्रूव का मतलब कुछ और
Everything is like pre-processing. You just have to forward and backward.
And did you add any filter for this?
Yeah, so I'm going to add the area filter here. Area filter comes. Yeah, whatever.
Again, nothing is but if I go into one action,
For you, it's coming or it's the same?
Single value.
Okay, so already this has a filter, that's a problem. It's not like, it's doing double filtering. We filtered, remember we also had a filter for this. Add filter. I will select a tile. No. No, it's not coming for me too. No. No, it's actually not coming because we have two filters there. So that's the reason. Don't add a filter now. Or we disable cross filtering. And then
After cross filtering also not coming.
yeah, it's not coming. There is two filters here. That's the issue. Otherwise, I think you can delete the filter there and then we can try it. There is an option remove filter. You can remove it. You can remove it. See, for example, I just want to try this. No. You click here. You have a remove filter. You can remove it. It's fine then. Like we will discuss this later. So I will just keep it here. Save. So this is page 2 for us. And then you can push on the remaining ones into the same one. Same page. So we have, yeah. That's exactly that, because we have already created a filter. So somewhere from here, the filter is not being carried forward properly is my guess. You can remove this and then add it. But then again,
Somebody is not coming. Yeah. It's coming.
how come it's coming?
For him, it's coming. For me, it's not coming. Yeah.
So this one publish, I will choose this, and this. The first chart, right? Yeah. Yes. Loud. Yeah.
Which page you want to push
No,
that?
in that now I have selected this to start. If I want the story to upload in the last and can I edit in this page? How do we edit? You can be available to publish. Okay. Which way? Okay, I'll select the. That is one.
That page.
That is the one. That's what it is. We don't have it. Go up in there.
Which one chart is this? I think yeah, instead of
Double put the second one. They have a molecular logo.
yes.
Yes, that's all. So we have so you can actually shift. So this is our page one. You are discussing, you can tell that how the price is all distributed. Second price about how your KPIs are across areas. And finally, how area wise everything is moving here. Right? So this is a very basic dashboard. Yeah. Very basic chart here. Okay, so I have one more exercise where I'm going to show three different joining the different data sets.
Okay.
And how many of you have to leave now for 4 o'clock? They have some seminar. Okay, so just, yeah. So this is my last class. I think probably after that, you will meet Professor Krishnadas. He is trying because Professor Krishnadas is not coming.
Who's flying?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Exam. Whatever.
Bad Professor Krishnadas is not here. Yes. Please did say that.
That's happening easily.
So I will have to give you to your professors, no more discussion from.
I'm looking at That's all.
Yeah, so what we, right? So you will then take it through the pages. You can actually move across. You click this, and click this, you will move across pages. Right, so you need to adjust the how it is. So when you click down. Okay, so can we finish the other one, pivot table? Is that okay? Okay, so the next exercise would be, just wait, while leaving, just ensure you give your names and then leave, because I don't know. I know Shashank, Sambit, and then, lady was, I know her. No. She interacts with me very nicely. I forgot your name. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Yeah, Kalyan. Yes, sorry. Kalyan. I know her. So other ones I don't know is your Siddharth, and what is your name? Aditya. Adityan or Aditya? Aditya. Okay, fine. So then I'll take your names. No issues. Okay. So now what we will do is we'll go back to our projects. Okay, can we do another new one? One new project? Are we all done with this? We'll get a new project. Okay. So for that, go to your My Learnings. And then there is credit card transactions data. Yeah, now new project altogether. This is done. So this is a new data set. We will load it in a new project, and it's a small exercise. That's all. We'll wind up.
Flow.
Sorry? You have to come back to your project.
Yeah.
Yeah.
New project.
Yeah. So we are going to create a new project.
Inside our folder.
Yeah. So ensure you download the credit card transactions. Yeah.
Report. Back project.
So now go to a new project. So this one we'll call it as credit card transactions.
Which file do we need from the credit card transactions? There's 3 files.
Yeah, the 3 files, that's all. There is it here. So just the week 3 credit card transaction files. And then click on create. Yeah. You can download it in your system. So this one is how, okay, let's listen here. So this one gives you how exactly your data sets will be in your company. Yes. The data set, I named it as credit card transactions. You can name anything you want. Are we all here?
Yes.
Credit card transactions. Okay. Take your time, no issues. So, don't create it. So we have to create it little later. Are you
Probably you are loading housing. Yeah. You can't upload.
It's showing it's already existing. I'm going to overwritten. Yeah, that is also happening. Will you try? Because out of three, only two are getting uploaded.
Change the name and upload.
All three names are.
Yeah, you can just say 1, 2, 3 and upload.
Yeah.
It's coming for me. It's not giving any error.
Only two are getting uploaded.
No, all the three.
I'm only two. Yeah. There are three more. Two are getting uploaded. Four. So you want to change the name?
I didn't change the name.
We got it.
Yeah. So see, this is about credit card transactions. Now, if you open the data set and see, I just want you to understand the data here. So cardholder information. So you need to understand the primary key in a data set. The primary key usually occurs only once in the data set. So that will be unique for each row. It will not replicate, like the property list ID. All those things are important ones. What happens? Overloading? Okay, gentlemen, listen. You want to leave, please. I will reduce the noise first. So, the last one, gentlemen, please. No time, 4 o'clock. I'll give you a just remind, give your name, remind this person. 5 of you, right? Who's your friend here? Who's Hifza? Hifza will remember all 5 of your names and she will tell me. Okay? Yeah, that's all I want. I know, I remember your names, but just I want. Right? See. Okay. Now listen here. So you have 3 different data sets. In the data set, each, if you look at this, is credit customer cardholders data set. So if you look at this, these values, right? The first one are card details. It's not card details. So you will not have the same card number for 2 customers. These are all unique, right? Your credit card number and my credit card number cannot be the same at any point of time, right? So these are all unique identifiers, right? So we are going to use this to match a lot of things across different data sets. So this one is for credit card holders.
Okay.
So we have the card detail, when it was activated, what is the reward program.
After importing the file, create multiple data sets.
I'll come. And then if you look at the transactions, see, credit card holder is nothing but like your customer data set. So each one will be unique. But in transaction data set, a customer can make multiple transactions. So which means you will have multiple, the card ID will, replicate multiple times, right? But then you have unique transaction ID. Transaction ID, like, if I take my credit card, I go to Carrefour and I purchase once, I will have a unique transaction ID. But my card number will remain the same. Second time I go, transaction ID will be different, but my card will be different. So what happens is, if Carrefour, able to scream after this. If Carrefour wants to study my purchase pattern, it will be very difficult for them to find out the transaction ID. So what they will do is, they will not use my credit card details because it is very confidential, but they will have my mobile number or something associated with the credit card. So they will just take that mobile number, and then once they take that mobile number, since it is connected with all the transactions that I have made, they can get a list of all the transactions from for my account. Okay. And similarly, this is transactions. And if you look at merchant info, right? So we have merchant IDs. I might have done a transaction with different merchants, right? So I can actually, if you look at the transaction ID,
The transaction ID also has a merchant ID. So for using that credit card, I have made a transaction with a particular merchant, right? Merchant ID. So I can actually find out which merchant, these people I'm actually frequently, transacting with. So this is basically, if you see, there's just 3 unique identifiers that are going to connect each of this data set, right? Credit card number, merchant ID, and transaction ID. So if you look at this, in each of them have different data with them, information with them. But then if I want to connect, see, look at here. I have credit card, merchant, and transaction. But I want to find out which reward program gave more number of transaction IDs.
Oh.
The reward program is available only with card ID, right? But then, I want to use that and find out where, which number of, what is the amount of purchase the reward is particular, that reward program is giving. So if you want to, I'm going to interconnect the columns across data sets now.
Credit card.
Yes, and for just for usage, we are just giving this card ID. Okay. Right? It could be anything else, but then regularly we don't use a card ID. Right? Okay, so now what we do is, we will upload. Yeah. So see, there are, yeah. I'll come. So now if you go back to card, there is a reward program here. Each card has a different reward program, right? I want to find out which of these reward programs are giving more purchase amount. Yes. So that I can give more promotional offers to that reward program.
Okay.
Right? But the purchase amount is available in transaction data set. That's right. So that is my target, but purchase amount is in target transaction, but the reward program is in cardholders data set. Now I have to connect these two, and then I have to extract here, right? Multiple data sets. Now wait, I will show you. So you have to quickly set the schema also. So can you just set the schema also? So what I'm going to do is I will take all the 3.
Yeah.
And then okay, I don't have anything here. Yeah. So, oh my God. Right? So you are going to create 3 different data sets because we will then later on link them together. So create multiple data sets here. So for each data set, what we are going to do is we have to quickly fix the schema. Fortunately, there is no missing values here. Everything has been corrected, right? Else we have to do that again. Pre-processing has to be done. So we will quickly infer data types, confirm, create and go next. Create and then go next. This is the second data set.
Yeah.
For this data set also, you have to infer the data types and then go to the next data set. So for 3 data sets, create, ensure the schema is red and then it is smooth. You can just click on this one. It will go back to your data set. Confirm. And then create and then go to the next. Again, infer types, confirm. And finally, everything is created. See, we have 3 different data sets now.
Yes.
Right? Now I have to connect all the 3 data sets. Literally, I'm going to join all this. All of us together or where did you lose? Should I go back again? Right click and delete. You can delete it. So I go here, import data set.
Upload. I went one step before, so you should be here. Select all the three together and drag and drop it. Right? Create multiple data sets. So here you have schema. So in the schema, infer types from the data. Go out, watch Aram se, and then you can come back. And then confirm. Now you see here, create and next. So it will go to the next data set. Create and then, so first we are done. Now if you click on create and next, it goes to the next one. Yes, for this particular one, again infer data types. This is the second data set. For the third. So three different data sets. You have to infer the schema for all the three different data sets. Now create. Create. Done? Lubna and Brinda. Got it? Okay. And then create and next. Confirm. Shh, who's this? What happened? Kipsa. Is that video by yours? Or the gentleman sitting next to you? So we have three different data set here. We need to, make join these three data set. So first start with the card holder. First, I'm going to click join here. Yeah. Who's that? This gentleman. What's his name? I forgot. Prathamesh. Prathamesh, it's fine to watch. Just go out and watch and come back. Okay, click on join. So here it's asking which data set should be joined. So first I'm going to join it with the transactions. Okay. So first this would be card holder and joined one. This is fine. Create a recipe. Now it's saying, hey, how do you match these two? Right? So you condition under which you're going to join.
What should be joined?
Card holder and transaction should be joined.
Card holder, then join with transaction.
An input data set, we should
Join the
Wait a minute.
join.
you will join this.
No data is selected. Select transactions.
Select transaction.
Yeah, and create recipe.
Card holder, join. So card holder will be joined with the transactions first. And then it's okay. You leave the name like what it is and create recipe. Now, so you are asking to merge these two. So which common column will help us to identify? Remember, we said credit card details, right? Transactions also has credit card number and the credit holder details also has the credit card number here, right? So we are going to match it based on that. So here, the internal card mapping, right? So this is the credit card number. And here in the transaction ID, we have card ID. You have to choose the card ID here. So now it will map. So it will map the card ID of your customer and it knows that it is a reward program and these are the ones that the customer has transactioned. Are we good or not? There. Right? Okay. Now click on OK. Run.
Run?
Yeah. Click on run.
The card ID. Card ID.
Can you confirm the condition we selected?
condition is the card ID mapping there and the card ID on the transaction. Is it really taking so long?
Yes. Done.
Done.
Ma'am, it's internal card map, there is card entry, right?
Card ID and internal card ID mapping.
The first one is internal card map, right? And the other card.
Card ID. In the transaction data set, it is card ID. Now you can go back to flow. So we have just, joined these two. And if you double click this,
Mine is in the middle map.
sorry,
It's in a different color.
which color it is?
It's very, it's not as same as that.
Which means, it's not complete, which means it's not complete. A dark box is, it's what a completed one. If it is not, run, did you run, complete the run? Sorry? Not complete. So here, now see, it has actually connected everything, reward program with the purchase amount, right? So now you can actually connect with, sorry? How did, see, reward program was available only in the cardholder data set. Yeah, the purchase amount was available only in the transaction ID data set. Now we have joined it, so you can see which reward and, the purchase amount for that. So now you are able to connect both. Now you can find out which reward program. You can build a chart for it, right? So you can create a chart and then say like, which reward is coming. You can also create a pivot table here. So pivot table would be travel. What are the other categorical variables? Item category. So where is cashback? Cashback is not there. Okay, so I will just create a basic pivot chart. I'll create a basic pivot table here. Right, so in the pivot table, I'm going to find out the reward program, reward on the row, and item categories, right? So there are different items. So I'm going to use item category, and the value will be the purchase amount. So I'll use an average purchase amount. So whichever gives you the highest average purchase amount. Right? Where is cashback? Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, fine. Yeah. See, what we can do is we will also format with the color. So you can go to format, color. So you can do, you can make it on specific conditions also, but all the values are somewhat clear, same. So we will change it to green and red and see. So you can actually change it. Just give me a second. Color formatting. We don't want the rule based. I want the divergent ones. It changes colors based on. Okay, I will try this color pattern then.
Maybe it's not coming because it's not in the table.
Which is not in. So this is just a cover, Ideally it should come. I don't know why this is not coming here, colors. Okay, fine, then hold it. It should actually give us some colors. I'm wondering why the colors are not coming here. Okay, so I'm not sure. Okay, so this is a pivot table for you. I'm ideally there should be a color working like this. I don't know why it is not working. So this is again with respect to a different, the account one. It should work. I'm not sure why this is not coming out here. I'll show you, like, I'll figure out why this is not coming and then I'll, find it out. Okay, so this is basically a pivot table. Okay. Now, see, I haven't connected the third data set, which is merchant ID. Do you want to give a try by your own to connect it? How would you connect a merchant data set? I didn't connect the merchant data set. Would you like to connect it by yourself? But it will not be your credit card details here. So something that merchant ID, yes, merchant ID. So you have to connect it with your merchant ID. So you go back to the flow again. So that is it's okay. You don't want to, I'm just showing it. If you want later on, you can port it to your dashboard. Now I'm just want to show it that, you can do a pivot table and other things. So here again, another join. And this one would be with the merchant info. Sorry? Merging, yes, that's what in SQL we call them as joins. Left join, right join, and other things. Merging, data set merging. Create recipe. No, it's actually using, latitudes and longitudes. Yeah, that's also fine, but it has used merchant ID here. So merchant ID is also there. So that as far as that is better. So run merchant ID.
Can you repeat from the color scheme part you were doing? I got lost after that.
Where exactly? 1 second. I'll come
You were
here.
trying to experiment with the green and red, and that
I
didn't
don't know
work.
why is it not working. So I'm not sure. Wait, I'll show you. So this one, so ideally, if you format and use a color scale, it will create you a heat map. So for different colors, it will give different, intensity of heat.
Okay, got it.
With
And what
the
were the
color.
next steps after this that you followed?
Sorry?
What were the steps after this that you followed?
After this is all for, we have done only 2 data sets. We merged it and we created a pivot. I wanted you to try with the third data set, which is the merchant info. I want you to join this and the merchant info. So for this, we click this and then again click on join. So here, this is the join data set, the previous one. And here you will choose the merchant info and create recipe. So it is automatically connected latitudes, longitudes, but for me, I want the merchant ID to be connected. And it's good that merchant ID is being connected here. Once this is done, I'm going to run this. You run this. Now in the flow, you will see all the 3 data sets connected. Now you can also see which merchant is providing more purchase amount, which merchant is preferred more. So you can actually connect the fields of 3 different data sets and create a new data chart. You can create charts and pivot tables based on that. Yes. Yes. Yeah. So this is exactly how your organizational data would be. So each one will be in different ones. So you have to pull everything.
So before coming here, you will find out the similarity.
Yeah. So as a domain expert, you will know these are the keys. And sometimes it is given by, the manager, the person you are reporting, right? They themselves will say that this is the unique key you have to match. So all those will be given to you. So now you go back to flow.
Yes, ma'am.
See, this is your flow. So these are all recipes. So you understood 2 recipes. What happens? Sorry, which step? So we have got 2 recipes. One is we did pre-processing and the other one is join. But there are so many other recipes which I suggest you all explore.
No.
Right? Where did you miss? The third one or which one? The last one is you have to ensure the merchant ID is matched. That's the most important ones. So it automatically did it for me. If not, you can again you can create a join here. So this is there. This is the merchant info. Add a data set. But why is it always giving me and it's not giving you?
They might be connecting the cardholder info, the old one. Do that, it won't connect.
Oh, okay. Hey, are you connecting the joined new data set? See, we have joined data set here.
Cardholder join data set.
We have a cardholder info joined, and then I'm joining the merchant info with the joined data set. Are you trying to connect it here? Okay, yeah, you're right. Yeah, please connect it with the already joined one, else it will be difficult. There won't be a matching key for them to match. So this is how you have literally collated 3 different ones. All right. So I think from here next class onwards, you will be getting into modeling. So it was nice actually interacting with you all. And thank you. And sorry for those online, I seriously couldn't get back to them. But please drop me an email. I would be happy to help with whatever, requirements you need. Okay. So with this, I will wind up. All right. I just need the attendance. For online, yes, I will take the attendance from the teams. And if you have any doubt, just stay back. We will clarify that. Aisha is there. Prathamesh is there. Aditya was there. Hifsa was there. Abhi was there. Oh, you're Abhi. Akash is there. Shan was there. Okay. Rahul is there. Kalyani was there. Kartika is there today. I didn't see.
Online.
Okay. Okay, fine. No issues. Kartika, Aslam is there. No, he didn't come today, right? Adarsh didn't come. Brinda, Bhargavi, Lubna. Is there anybody else that I missed in today's session here? That's all, right? Oh, yeah. Sorry, Varun. Yes. Varun. Anybody else I missed? No. Everybody is there then. Okay, fine. So online ones, I will take it from the Teams meeting. Right? And just to tell you, the earlier meeting has been actually recorded and added in the same chat. You can actually take that. Yeah. So that's all. If you have any doubts, stay back. Else, thank you so much.
Thank you. Take care.
Yeah. Thank you. The link will be in the chat.